Have you ever passed a task to a friend because you feel you're not good at it, without thinking twice? It might seem harmless, but have you ever wondered if they're naturally set up to do it? Sometimes, without meaning to, we're actually setting them up to struggle, to fail, more than we would have done ourselves. With HypnoSeed's Profile Friends module, you can take the guesswork out of these situations. Just enter your friends' and loved ones' birthdays to discover their strengths and weaknesses, their tendencies in life. Instead of unknowingly giving them a challenge, you can guide them towards roles they're naturally good at and feel confident with. Supporting your friends starts with understanding them. Try Profile Friends free today and see how a little insight can build stronger, more thoughtful relationships.